Retirement. It feels pretty far away, doesn't it? Hard to imagine the day when you'll stop working and just enjoy life. You'll need to have enough saved by then to fund your lifestyle for the foreseeable future. It can feel pretty daunting. Is it even possible? Sure, you contribute to your 401k, but is it enough? How do you know how much you should be saving each year? Or whether your investments are getting you the returns you need to live the life you desire today and still retire when you want? If you don't know the answer to these questions, it may be time to readjust your approach to retirement planning. So where do you start? These days, retirement planning looks a lot different than it did for your parents, and your expectations for retirement probably look different too. If it feels overwhelming, don't stress. We can help. We'll work with you to learn about your financial goals, including your vision for your retirement. And we'll help set you on the path to get there. When it comes to planning for retirement, there's no better time than now. Let us help you plan for a better tomorrow.